This is Tom Dillon, the Lifetime Liberal, and today is Wednesday, December 18th, 2019. As we know, Trump will be actually impeached today, but the title of this rant is Trump's Immoral Tax Cuts Drain the US Treasury. So the tax cuts from 2017, the corporate tax rate went from 35% to 21%. And of course, the Republicans said, more jobs, blah, blah, blah. No, not any extra jobs. And all the extra money that those corporations had, they put back into employees' buyback plans. They didn't put it into R&D, and they didn't do it to invest in any new jobs. So it went from 35% to 20%. We also found out that, hey, 90 of the top 400 corporations in the United States did not pay any taxes at all. Zero! All right? And of course, the total amount of all this is the lowest amount that the Treasury has gotten in the last 3 decades. And the important thing about this is that this is the Republicans' wet dream. Inefficient, ineffective government, all right, where corporations run roughshod all over. What we need is a Democratic presidency, a Democratic Congress. Then we need to immediately increase the budget of the IRS, especially their corporate investigative powers. Remember, Bush tried to cut the IRS quite a bit. Obama couldn't do much because of sequestration. And of course, this president is trying to cut it back at all. So we need just to increase the IRS just for them to keep up with what's going on. We need to immediately reverse these immoral tax cuts and in some cases increase other taxes in there. And of course, the big reason is that the GOP and Trump, now that they have all this and the coffers are getting thin and thin, what are they going after? Just this week, they're going after SNAP, which was food for children. They're going after Medicare. They're going after Medicaid. They're going after Social Security. But are they going after the tax cuts they gave to the rich? No, not one bit at all. This is their the soft underbelly of the Republican side. Tax cuts to the rich, screw everybody else. But this is, again, another clear indication that we must have a Democratic presidency. We must have a Democratic Congress. We must empower the IRS with a full budget, with full resources, with full powers to go and work with the existing laws. And we need to reverse the Trump tax cuts of 2017.